In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up auto conversion on Wise. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into the process. Setting up auto conversion on Wise is a straightforward and efficient way to handle your currency exchanges without having to constantly check market rates. It's all about setting the parameters just right so that Wise does the work for you. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wise account. You can do this either through the Wise app on your smartphone or on the Wise website through your computer. Just navigate to the login page and enter your credentials. Once you're successfully logged in, head over to the Payments tab. You'll likely find this featured prominently on your dashboard. Depending on the device you're using, this might look slightly different, but it should be easy to spot. Clicking on Payments will open up various tools and options related to transferring and converting your money. Now the next step is to find the section dedicated to auto conversions. This might be listed under Payment Tools, or you can also check for it as one of the options available. Look for a plus icon or a button labeled New Conversion. This is where the magic starts to happen. Once you click on that, you'll need to select the currencies that you want to convert. Choose a currency that you want to convert from, and then specify the currency you want to convert to. This part is crucial because it determines the flow of your funds. For instance, if you're converting from US dollars to euros, make sure you pick those exact currencies. After you've selected your currencies, it's time to enter the amount of money you want to move. This part is quite flexible, and you can specify any amount you're comfortable with. Now, alongside the amount, set your desired exchange rate. This is essentially telling Wise at what rate you want the conversion to take place. Setting a target rate can be beneficial if you expect the market to change, so pick a rate that works for your needs. Once you've filled in all those important fields, it's time to review the details before you confirm the transaction. Make sure everything looks correct. Details like the amounts, the selected currencies, and the target exchange rate should all align with your expectations. If everything checks out, go ahead and activate the trigger. What happens next is pretty cool. Wise will keep an eye on the market for you. When your target rate is met, Wise will automatically convert your funds. This means you don't have to obsessively monitor the market. You can trust that Wise will handle it for you. Now I want to remind you that you can always come back to your dashboard to manage or adjust your auto conversion settings. If you find that your needs change or you want to set a different target rate, it's easy to do so. Auto conversion is a fantastic tool for people who travel, do business internationally, or simply want to manage their funds across different currencies efficiently. And that's it. You've successfully set up auto conversion on Wise. It's a simple but powerful feature that can save you both time and money. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more content like this and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and happy converting.